right, everybody, I finally have the next craft ready for you. We're gonna stick with the winter theme and we're gonna do a hibernating bear craft. In your little bag, you'll get the picture, you'll get a piece of black construction paper, a little sleeping bear picture, a couple of cotton balls, 3 craft sticks, and some stickers. To start with, you'll want to, well, you can color your craft sticks if you like. You can either use crayons or markers or paint, whatever you like. And then when you get those painted, you can glue them together in a triangle. After you've done that, you'll take your black construction paper and you'll cut that into a triangle as well. And you'll cut out the sleeping bear. The sleeping bear is going to get glued right on that black piece of construction paper at the bottom, the base of the triangle there, leaving a little bit of space because you're going to glue that on the back of these right here. So it'll go like this. I'm just going to put some glue right along the edge, the very edge of the black construction paper. And then center it just like that, so that when you turn it over, it looks like the bear is in a cave. Next thing you'll do is you'll take your cotton balls, and these you can pull apart because we know bears hibernate in winter, so it looks like snow. And you can do it however you want. I'm going to do mine just like the picture shows. I got glue on my fingers. Here we go. But we're going to do that again anyway. We're going to put a little bit of glue right here. And we're going to put a nice little cap of snow on his cave. And then we're going to a nice, probably a little bit thicker line of glue so that that cotton stays on these construction sticks. Craft sticks, sorry. Running out of glue there. Okay, and then we're going to run our cotton ball snow just like this, like that. And now you can take your stickers and you can decorate however you want. I've got a cute little owl, so I'm going to put the owl like he's sitting up on top. And then there's a leaf like it fell off a tree. And some cute little stickers wherever you like them. There, just like that. Now you've got what looks like a bear hibernating in his cave.